Hello and welcome to Pixel Bits, a tutorial series about creating pixel art. In this episode we will be going over what hue shifting is and why it is used. When it comes to the real world, objects that are in direct light are generally more vibrant and have warmer hues than objects in shadow. Objects in shadows have darker values than the objects in light, but they also tend to be less vibrant and have cooler hues. Let's take snow. What color is snow? White? Or maybe in the right light, but that's usually not the case. Let's take this photo that I took during winter. Now let's see what colors the snow is. We can see that the shadows are cooler bluish, while the parts in sunlight are a warmer yellowish color. As I stated before, this is usually the case in most lighting conditions. We can also place blue and yellow on the hue scale, and then if we view it in black and white, we can then see that the blue is perceived as a darker color while yellow is perceived as a brighter color. So when shading an object, just don't decrease saturation and make it darker. Make sure to hue shift the color when you change the value of the color and you will have a lot more interesting palettes in no time. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you have any suggestions on future topics, just drop them down below. And if you'd like to see what I'm up to, check out my Twitter. But that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you and goodbye.